Hey guys, my name is Vlad and this is my second video on this channel. If you didn't watch the first one, I encourage you go back, watch first video and then come back to this one. My second video will be about top 5 my favorite features of Google Chrome. If you think you know everything about Google Chrome, trust me, probably one of the features you didn't know yet. So I encourage you watch this video till the end and then you will know everything. Are you ready? Then let's go to my top 5 features of Google Chrome. Feature number 1 is Dinosaur Game. Press spacebar on the tab without internet connection and game will be started. As you can see, it's a cool, simple game, running dinosaur, jumping and pass different obstacles. So while you wait in your internet connection get back, you can play this simple game. Feature number 2 is Tabcast. If you want to cast your tab or full screen, you simply can do it through Google Chrome. Click right button, then select cast. After that, select your device, and you will be able to cast your screen on that device. As you can see, it's pretty cool. You don't need any additional applications. You can cast directly from Google Chrome. Feature number 3 is really cool one. You can make your web page editable. Simply press Ctrl-Shift-I, open console and write document design mode equal on, and then your page will be editable. As you can see, right now I can change the title on my page. Let's change it to something different. This is my web, and let's try to change second line, and this is my slogan. I think this one is really cool one. It's good for web developers, good for designers, almost for everyone. And it's so easy to use. So as you can see, it's so simple. You can delete the text, you can edit the text, you can delete the image, you can do many small different things on the page. If you want to stop the feature, basically you can refresh the page or again open DevTools with press Ctrl-Shift-I and then write document design mode equals off, and feature will be turned off. 3 features in the past, and I hope it's make you a little bit excited because probably some of the features you didn't know, right? The next 2 will be also interesting and quite helpful almost for everyone. Full page screenshot. If you need to make the screenshot of entire page, you can do it pretty simple. First, open DevTools by press Ctrl-Shift-I, then select this icon. Then you can resize your screen. If you don't want it like mobile, you can make it desktop version. Just simply change the width of the page. Then press Ctrl-Shift-P and write screenshot. Then select create full page screenshot. And after a few seconds, your screenshot will be ready. As you can see, it's a full page. Even above the fold, everything that on the page will be on this screenshot. It's quite useful for many people, not only web developers or web designers. It's probably useful for everyone. Instead of making 20 different ones and combine them together, you can make just one pretty fast. And the last one, music and videos control. Imagine you turn on some video, music, and then you switch the tab and finally you cannot find it. Simply click at the icon in the top right corner and then you will be able to stop your music or video or even skip it for the next one. As you can see, I have full control. It doesn't matter on what tabs I am right now, I can control the video, so I don't need to find the correct tab with video. That's it. I hope you like this video. I hope it's better than previous one about sound and about light. If you like it, please click like. If you don't like it, please click like, but share your feedback in the comments below. And I hope to see you in my next videos. See you. Bye.